Customers are moving toward cloud services for their document management and delivery now more than ever before. And with the rising popularity of Office 365, Kyocera is excited to announce its newest business application, the KYOCERA Microsoft Connector. Designed to simplify document scanning and sharing from a network-connected, high-pass-enabled MFP to an existing installation of Microsoft SharePoint, Exchange, or OneDrive for Business. With the KYOCERA Microsoft Connector, you can integrate any or all of the following Microsoft features to your MFP to best serve your business or organization's needs. The KYOCERA Microsoft Connector allows users to scan documents to OneDrive, create folders, access shared documents, and scan into shared folders in OneDrive, and print from OneDrive. The SharePoint feature allows users to browse, scan, and print documents on your organization's SharePoint server, and even convert files to Word and Excel formats through their SharePoint document libraries. When your MFP is integrated with Exchange, users can scan and send documents as email attachments through the popular Exchange server, receive a copy of the email in their sent mail folder, and access contacts from both global and personal address books. The KYOCERA Microsoft Connector is available in two versions, Basic and OmniPage OCR. The Basic package allows you to convert your documents into searchable PDFs. The OmniPage package allows you to convert documents into Word, Excel, text, PowerPoint, and XPS documents, resulting in more control over your digitization process so you can be sure your documents are viewed and received in the accurate format. With the KYOCERA Microsoft Connector, users can enhance their Microsoft workflow securely by registering an HID card for card swipe authentication. And since all network communication is encrypted with HTTPS, users can rest assured their data is secure. If you're one of the 60 million monthly active Office 365 customers, or one of the 50,000 small business customers added to Office 365 each month, there's no better time to take your Microsoft applications to the next level with the KYOCERA Microsoft Connector. For more information on KYOCERA Microsoft Connector or any other Kyocera business application, visit our website, usa.kyoceradocumentsolutions.com.